welcome to my channel Meet Patil Facts. So today we will learn simple Python program. For Python program you have to go to IDLE where we run the program. Then we have to go to file, new file. Then we will write simple Python program of hello world. Then we will write print bracket slash hello world. Then we will save the code. .py is the extension of code. You save it, and when we have to run the Python program we have to press Ctrl plus F5, so it will show you the output of hello world which I have typed. So thank you. So subscribe to the channel, press that notification button and like the video.